Get ready, because Pororo is back!
What's that?
Pororo meets a little dragon who wants to be in charge.
I, Arthur the Dragon King, command you to bring me the Dragonheart right now!
Dragonheart?
Huh?
Crong?
There's trouble when an evil wizard steals Dragonheart!
I'll make sure Dragon Castle's mine at last!
Run! Or the evil guards will get us!
Dragonheart's magic is in danger!
I must save it! I must!
Can Pororo and his friends save Dragon Castle?
It's mine! I summon dragon power!
How dare you!
Oh, Crong!
Evilness activate! Dragonheart!
Get ready for fireworks, fun, and a magical time! Join Pororo in his first fantasy action adventure ever!
Rats will never get away!
Don't be so sure, cause when the going gets bad, the really good get going!
Pororo Movie, Dragon Castle Adventure! It's landing soon, in a theater near you!